Clean function removes all non-printable characters from text. This function has only one argument. In text argument, select the text string from which you want to remove non-printable characters. Click Cancel. Active this cell. In formula bar, you can see there is non-printable ANSI code 7 in char function. You already know non-printable characters are between 1 and 31. To remove this non-printable character, active this cell, click text arrow button, click clean function. In text box, select this text string, click OK. Clean function removes non-printable character from this text string. To remove non-printable character from this text string, paste the formula in this cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. In this way, you can remove non-printable characters from the text string by using clean function.